Best printer for screen printing. You are probably not familiar with Transparencies, but if you are, then you know that they are sheets of glossy plastic films. That description alone should tell you that printing on item is not easy. So you need the best printer for screen printing, Transparencies. We take a look at some of the finest models. These 5 are the top-rated printers for screen printing. Number 5. Lexmark Color Laser Printer. Give everyday small work group bold consistent color output with compact lightweight Lexmark. Built for reliability, performance and security, it offers lifetime imaging component output at up to 26 ppm. The Lexmark exclusive full spectrum security with replacement extra high yield unison toner providing up to 4500 pages of output. Plus media input expandable up to 751 pages. You can print more and stop less. Number 4. Canon PIXMA Printer. Help your business ideas get noticed with PIXMA Wireless Inkjet Business Printer. The PIXMA is the ideal office printer, able to output everything from 4 inches into 6 inches milers to 11 inches into 17 inches spreadsheets. Even big 13 into 19 inches, you will be impressed by the quality. With 9600 multiplied by 2400 maximum color DPI, it delivers exceptional printing details. And with 5 individual ink tanks, you will not only get amazing color, you can replace only the color that runs out. Number 3. Epson EcoTank. The Epson EcoTank wireless all-in-one offers revolutionary cartridge-free printing with easy-to-fill super-sized ink tanks. It includes up to 2 years of ink in the box. That's an incredible amount of ink, enough to print up to 5200 pages and equivalent to about 30 ink cartridges set. Plus, it features auto-stop ink bottles with each color uniquely keyed for easy filling of each tank. And you save up to 80% on ink with low-cost replacement bottles. The ET also offers convenient wireless printing from tablets and smartphone, plus Wi-Fi direct and auto 2-sided printing. Number 2. 8720 Wireless Printer. With your cherished memories to the next level with this Canon Wireless Inkjet Photo Printer. This one allows you to print stunning borderless photos up to 13 into 19 inches. With a 6-color ink system including gray ink and 96 and 9600 into 2400 maximum DPI color DPI, the detail is amazing. Whether you frame your photo or collect them in a scrapbook, you will be able to relive those special moments exactly as you remembered them. Number 1. Zebra Desktop Printer. When print quality, productivity, application, flexibility, and management simplicity matter, the Zebra delivers. Thermal transfer technology requires the use of a thermal ribbon, can also print using direct thermal technology, which requires the use of direct thermal media but no ribbon required. Fast print speed, superior performance, and top print quality for address, shipping, mailing, file folder, barcode, and binder levels, as well as name tags, wristbands, and receipts. It offers the most standard feature of any Zebra desktop printer, included an optional 10-button user interface with a color LCD that takes all the guesswork out of the printer setup and status.